Makati City Mayor Junjun Binay insists that the suspension order from the Ombudsman is a clear propaganda and an orchestrated persecution against his family. Darlene Basingan tells us why.
So kitang-kita nyo na ho eh. Kitang-kita nyo, yung nagpapile doon sa Ombudsman, identified kay Mar Rojas. Yung mag-i-implement ng preventive suspension, si Mar Rojas at saka mga tauhan ni Mar Rojas. Yung iupo nilang mayor, Liberal Party, kasama ni Mar Rojas. His fingerprints are all over eh.
Makati City Mayor Junjun Binay and his camp believe that his 6-month preventive suspension ordered by the Ombudsman is a propaganda against him by Department of Interior and Local Government Secretary Mar Rojas. According to United Nationalist Alliance Secretary General J.V. Bautista, they carefully studied the people behind the Ombudsman investigation and found connections to the DILG Secretary.
Si Ombudsman Prosecutor Biernes. He is identified with former Ombudsman Sonny Marcelo. Now, who is Sonny Marcelo? Sonny Marcelo is a partner of former Secretary Nonong Cruz. Who is Nonong Cruz? Nonong Cruz, as Congressman Tiangco has already stated, is not only a lawyer of Mar Rojas, but an operator of Secretary Mar Rojas.
Because of this, Makati Mayor Junjun Binay is assured the suspension order is just a propaganda, and is also confident that the Court of Appeals will grant his petition for certiorari. Binay's camp explains part of the construction of the Makati City Hall Building 2 happened during his first term on 2010 until 2013, but he was re-elected as mayor of Makati for 2013 until 2016. According to the Aguinaldo Doctrine of Supreme Court, this case should be held moot and academic after the voting public re-elected Binay despite these allegations. They also added that the Ombudsman does not have strong evidence to present against Binay. Also in the joint order, Binay's camp noticed the names of the other accused are not properly labeled, which shows the Ombudsman did not thoroughly study the complaint. It is also impossible for him to use his position to influence the ongoing investigation. Binay insists that he will not turn over his post to the Makati Vice Mayor. Last night, he stayed and slept in the sofa inside his office at the City Hall. Based on the joint order by the Ombudsman, the suspension is immediately executory and only a temporary restraining order can stop its implementation. Darlene Basingan reporting for Y News.